Human detection. The Spillard human detection system is trained to identify only human shape, human form, and human characteristics. It aims to warn operators and pedestrians of potential risks of collisions, improve operators' all-round awareness of their surroundings by detecting human form whilst ignoring ever-changing backgrounds and inanimate objects. Spillard human detection system. The system provides an interface between the operator and pedestrian, sharing the responsibility for safety and detecting only the human form, reducing the chance of false alerts that lead to operator complacency. The system covers up to 360 degrees, with detection zones split into 4 quadrants. The detection zones have been programmed dependent upon machine. Operation. An operator will be alerted to detection through both visual and audible alerts. The illuminated coloured quadrants depend on the location of the detection. To minimise false alerts. If detection is made when the machine is deactivated, the safety lever engaged, or handbrake on, only the display will illuminate the corresponding quadrant. If detection is made when the machine is active, a quadrant will illuminate, and an internal speaker and an external klaxon will sound.
Person rear. Move away. Person rear.
And a 10-second video clip of the detection will be created.
Right. Move away. Person right. Move away. Person right. Move away. Person right. Move away.
For multiple detections, the internal speaker announces,
Person detected.
Management are notified of all incursions and can review the video clips upon detection to reduce incidents. Only red zone incursions are recorded. The 10-second clip 5 seconds before and 5 seconds after detection. Features. The 4 AI cameras are connected to a video telematics platform and record up to 250 hours, 360 degrees around the machine. The system cannot be switched off or ignored. Multi-detection of human form. Human detection between 0 and 5 meters. Effective in extreme weather conditions. Error checking. The system alerts and reports back to the platform. Camera covered, video loss, and non-reporting devices. A panic button is also installed to alert platform and create a 10-second video clip if an unsafe action is witnessed. Daily checks. Daily check procedure must be followed to determine operational state of the system before starting the shift. The daily checks must be carried out by 2 people. Turn ignition on. Do not start. Ensure the machine is in an operating state. Dead man lever should be enabled and/or handbrake off, and importantly, for wheeled machines, foot brake pressed. Ask your assistant to walk around the machine approximately 3 meters out. During their walk around, confirm the following. The cab display is active in every quadrant. The internal speaker is working and can clearly identify the speech.
Person right.
And the external move away klaxon can be heard.
Move away.
Sensor, AI camera limitations. Cameras will not work if an obstruction is covering the sensing face, e.g. mud or concrete. Cameras detect to a pre-configured distance around a vehicle. The detection area depends upon the mounting position and installed angle of each camera. Blind spots will be created if a camera is moved. The response times from cameras, sensors, and operator are reduced when speed is increased. My thumbs up is a visual and audible indicator activated by the operator once the machine has been isolated, indicating that it is safe to approach.
Machine isolated. Approach with caution. Machine isolated. Approach with caution.